will record this just for my reference. Okay. So yeah, the thing is, that time I just told you where it originated from. Some village in Japan. There is a study happened. So background is like one European person who married to a Japanese woman, and he used to go Japan sometimes. But from his mother-in-law, he came to know about this place called Okinawa, and from that he came to know that there are some people in the Okinawa who are living 100 plus years easily, and there are like a good amount of people there who live 100 plus years. So even we talked about that. So there is a like a few zone, they call it as.
Rahul sir, your voice is not coming clear.
Okay, I don't know what's the issue. Everyone facing this issue? I think.
Continue.
What about others?
Yeah, now it's good.
So it
Okay.
is clear, sir.
Okay, so that's good. This is the we have discussed this about, but that time I never mentioned the Okinawa. It was a bit difficult name. I forgot that name that time. So name of the place was Okinawa, and then he came there. He very got curious about what exactly is the place, what they do. So he been there and he studied the 100 around 200 500 people, and he found out very interesting facts. It's like he spent a lot of time there instead of just visiting for 1 month or something. He been there, he stayed there for longer time, and then he studied people and he wrote the book also. And then that this concept came into the limelight. Otherwise they are living with this concept from a long ago. So this is just a history. We are not again going more into history because we have discussed about this. Important thing is how it is related to me, means you, me, and anyone here. So that is the main topic today. But just to explain what is Iki and what is Gai. So basically, Iki is nothing but life in Japanese terms, and Gai, so what they call it as a value. So life of value. There is some value in the life. That is what they call it as ikigai. Okay, so we will discuss about that in next slide. So basically, this is the overall history. We are more interested in next things. Before that, this is the familiar figure. I think you will remember this. I think I have shown exactly this figure only to you. So this is the main thing. This is very much now whenever you search on Google, this kind of figures will come onto the from the net. So again, same things we have discussed about this, what you are good at, which start with generally what you are good at, then what you love, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. And so basically mission is you should be more focused about finding the main patch, which is ikigai, which is common to all. So what is your passion? Basically we need to work on our passion. That's the main thing I even suggested, and I mentioned, if you remember, I mentioned if you want a success formula for you in your life, that is finding your passion. Just find your passion, build a build some mission around that passion. Think big. Again, I think you remember, think big. That's what I proposed you in our session. So think big can be your mission, and once you start around that, that can be your vocation. Means like you are spending a lot of time around that. You need to spend basically a lot of time around that, and that can be your profession. Is like once you spend a good amount of time and you start earning from that, that can be your profession. So basically the thing is, it starts with what you are good at. And that's what I ask in started asking to people also. Even there are some new people here who are from from KGP only, but not part of robotics that time. uh, to them I ask about started asking about what you are good at, and that is main very important thing you should focus on. Okay, so before we will go to the questions around that. So this is what we need to do. Everyone, maybe even I need to work on this. So finding your ikigai, finding your sweet spot, basically, and why that is important, we will see on the next slide. But just so how to find or what you need to do. So just instead of just finding like what you good at and all that, now start to build upon what your strengths, where are you good at, and what means now it's not only important, like if you say, take example of you are good at say uh, cooking or playing cricket, you will find many people around you playing good cricket. So that is not enough. You means finding good at. So now you need to find out about your strengths. But obviously, it will start with the basic things about your liking, what you really like to do. So and so that is the main thing. Finding your strengths, that is very important in many aspects. So think about what you do better than everyone else. Okay, so in that case, everyone else is your circle. Means like there are always better people. They can do better than you uh, throughout the world, even throughout the India, even throughout the Kashmir. So you don't have access to everyone's knowledge or their what they are doing and everything. So just initially to start with, just find what you are good at within your circle. That's the important thing. So what you are better than everyone else. Another indicator for that is people will start saying you, giving the feedback to you are good at in this. Maybe Aksa might be getting feedback that she is good in poems, creating poems. And so not only it's her feeling, even her parents, her outer circle, her friends, everyone is telling her. So that is a good indicator to know that this is my strength. So just think about that. Take out time, talk to people, your near ones, and try to find out your strengths. That is very important. And that is means like from that you can come to know about your passion, what you are even love to do. So we discuss about even that things, love to do and like to do. There are some difference. For some people it might be two different things. For some people that is a one thing. So again that is a one point, first point. Second point is quite a bit critical, or you can say very simple. What does world need? Google will help you in this thing. First, for finding first thing, Google cannot help you. Finding your strength, Google will not help you. You just get some references. You can look around into your mess, like what are the skills people are looking for. All that thing you can do, but for first thing you need to deep into yourself, or you can ask your friends and relatives or your near ones. But second thing, yes, what the world needs here, there are a lot of references you will get. There are Google Analytics and all those tools can help you. Whether if it is like say you are good in cycling, I'm just taking another some example. So who are good in cycling, what are the cycling institutes, what are the competition happen around you in say Srinagar or Kashmir. You can find all those things about cycling from internet. So internet will help you in this case. So second point is sorted with maybe technology. But first part, there is no technology. Maybe you just need to meditate or whatever you do. You need to find the first answer. Then we can come to the third points. What are your passions? So again, strength and passions, liking, love are quite different things. But to start with, you can consider that as a one thing. So how to find out your passion? Maybe like cycling. You may think that I like cycling, I love cycling, but can you do it for a full day? I know there is obviously there are some physical limitations, but means like the thing is to finding passion is, are you like always charged up to do the cycling or to play the cricket or the cooking or reading, whatever it is. So that's the main thing. Fashion is like, you can say, finding the next step, going for the next step. So that is the main thing. So again, this is third thing is, again, you need to do that. You have to dig deep into. You need to work on that. Keep finding the answer. That is, there is no other solution. Internet or technology cannot help into this. But there are some tools are there. I will suggest those tools to find out your passion also, or your strength. That is next part. But fourth question is, what can you earn a living doing? So you have to make money from the craft, your craft. Again, cycling. Can you make money from cycling? There are like questions. Just deep. Again, here internet will help you. Search what are the people doing around cycling. Who are the best cyclists in India, all over the world, within Kashmir, wherever. Just search about that. I'm cycling is just example. Uh, we can take it as a interactive session. Someone come forward and tell me, I think this is my passion. And as I told you, we have very limited time, so someone please unmute himself, herself, and tell me about that, so that we can take that example. Otherwise, I keep doing cycling or cooking. That will not help. I want someone to come forward and answer. Yes, someone is
I can
unmute.
drive one day continuously.
Who? Who is that?
मुदस्सिर
Okay, Mudassir, bolo.
मतलब हमारा पैशन मेरा यही है कि मैं एक दिन ड्राइव कर सकता हूँ पूरा बिना थके बिना रुके.
And that is bike, right?
No, car.
Car. Okay. Yeah, okay. So some people specifically like driving bike, and some people like driving cars. Okay, so that is your passion. So just ask about like, this is your first answer, or you might be thinking right now, you might be thinking that this is my passion. But keep doing that. Maybe over the period of time, you will feel, oh no, this is not really a great thing to do, or इस पे मैं ज़्यादा दिन नहीं कर सकता, or maybe can be. So if you got the answer that this is my passion, then start looking around that. What can I do? Can I do something, some business out of that? So answer is yes, definitely. There are a lot of businesses even around driving. Not only like just driving the car, but teaching about that, or doing some like modifications to car, and then driving that special car. There are a lot of things we can do, and once you start doing this, we can do for those things for others also. So that is possible. So that way, I'm just giving one live example, like he gave me about driving. So we can do that, and definitely, like say someone is writing poem. So bring out those poems to the world. World need nice words, definitely. No doubt about that. So if you don't want to come on camera, I gave example in that IoT class also. There are a lot of people, even one German guy, I guess German, I think, but European guy, yes. So he had around 20 YouTube channels, but none of YouTube channels, he never shows his face. He just put the content on the different channels, whatever it is related to, and he's earning a lot of money. You can imagine 20 YouTube channels, and all are earning him money, more or less. But if you can imagine 20 income sources he have, and without showing his face. So in another class, I have seen that is a limitation. Sir, hum camera pe nahi aa sakte. No worries. There are a lot of ways to just show your talent on the screen or to the world via social media, and you can start earning from that. Same with the like, if you want to teach about like cars, you can talk about the cars. that is very good. People like to watch about cars, so you can start with that. So that is the thing. You need to think once you figure out this is my passion, we need to go ahead with that. Okay, so we have seen this. We need to come back to that this figure again and again maybe. But why Ikigai is the main thing. Why we are talking about Ikigai. There might be other tools, or just some people directly jump into the like business and they succeed. But it's not applied to everyone. Many people like go through life without knowing their purpose. A lot of people happened in the past. Some people are doing same way right now and in future maybe. But now people are got some alert. Means like they are alert about what they are doing exactly, with whether it is good or not. And somewhere I explained you, I guess, I remember that now there is a trend. Initially like पहले लोग सिर्फ एक जॉब करते थे और जिंदगी भर वही जॉब करते रहते थे. अभी का ट्रेंड है कि like people कंपनी स्विच करते हैं, बट एक बार सॉफ्टवेयर में गए तो सॉफ्टवेयर में ही रहते हैं. वो भी इट्स लाइक अगर वो एसएपी में है तो एसएपी में ही पूरी लाइफ स्पेंड करते हैं. सिर्फ कंपनी चेंज करते हैं बट टेक्नोलॉजी वही पर काम करते हैं. सो समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट इन फ्यूचर अभी से एक ट्रेंड आएगा, आना चालू हो गया है कि लोग मे बी करियर भी चेंज करेंगे, स्विच करेंगे. लाइक आई एम गुड एग्जांपल फॉर दैट. आई मे switch my career from totally playing with robots to engaging with people, connecting with people. So similarly, people can do that. People will do that, and that will be the trend in next decade maybe. And the new education policy, I think we talked about that also. Like new education policy is giving you two kind of ages. Like you can be doing physics, graduation in physics, and still you have art in your hand. So you will learn about that also. So that is clear indication that people will do at least two careers in their life. So as I initially mentioned, and in even our first interaction, finding purpose of what exactly you are made for is, you can say, the direct connection to your success in life. Success agar hona hai, to then there is a very good way is to find your purpose and work around that, instead of just kuch log keh rahe hain ki ye karo. भले मेरा पैशन है ड्राइविंग कार्स, आई लाइक कार्स, और मैं कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहा हूँ. there is very less chances that I will succeed in my career. Very less chances. You may, but there might be some drag. You will not be happy, but still, just for the pressure purpose, you are doing that. Most of the लोग वही करते हैं. उनको पता ही नहीं होता है कि उनका क्या है, strength क्या है. They just drag themselves along the way, and किसी तरह काम करते रहते हैं. So finding the purpose is the real path to long life. That's what Ikigai is. Happy life. Again, Ikigai shows that also. Those people are not just living long, 100+ years. They are happy with their life and satisfying life. That's no one. That is one thing which is missing in most of the people's life. You just come to like a city like Pune, Mumbai. They look in good clothes, always running, but they are not satisfied with their life. That is the most of the people. I'm not talking about each and everyone. They are not really happy with traveling with daily for 2 hours, then going to office where some not so good bosses are there, and there is repetitive work, and they are not really happy with that. But just to now you are doing that, and they are doing just to go through life. That's the main their motto of life after some time. So main purpose of Ikigai was why we are thinking about, or why we are talking about Ikigai is clarity. Clarity is very important about life. So that's what I suggested in even our initial interaction. Take out 20 minutes, just 20 minutes from your busy schedule or whatever you are doing. That's what I said. We have limited time.
So can we, if it's disconnect, please join in again, and we will discuss again 5-10 minutes. So that's what we were talking about. Clarity is very important. Most of the the people who are succeeding in life, they have very clear vision about what they want to do in next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and that's what we need to do. And
Tool for that is Ikigai. Okay. And life with Ikigai. That's what I said. Just a minute. Yes, life with Ikigai. So yeah, this is bit complicated. I'm taking now. You might thinking about, oh, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है कि मुझे मैं क्या अच्छा लगता है, मुझे क्या मैं बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, क्या मेरा पैशन है, फाइंड करो, मैं उस पे काम करूं. बट इट्स नॉट दैट इजी. इट्स लाइक ऐसा बहुत सारे एग्जांपल है कि किसी को पहले जो राइटर है उसका ही एग्जांपल है कि उसको पहले समथिंग एडवर्टाइजिंग में वो था, उसमें बहुत सारा, और उसको वो बहुत पसंद था. देन ही नहीं, उसको पहले ट्रैवलिंग करना बहुत पसंद था. देन ही फाउंड आउट दैट नो, my ikigai is teaching people, giving them some trainings, and at end of life he found that some new ikigai. So that is the main thing. There might be 2-3 ikigai at a time, or mostly throughout your life. मतलब एट अ टाइम आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, ओवरवेल्म हो जाओगे कि मुझे ये भी अच्छा लगता है, ये भी अच्छा लगता है, और ये भी अच्छा लगता है, तो मैं इसमें किस में फोकस करूं, किस पे करियर करूं, किससे पैसा कमाऊं, ऐसा हो सकता है. सो दैट इज, तो इस चीज के लिए आपको इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ बेसिकली. एग्जैक्टली क्या है, taking action is the only way, better way you can say. Just instead of just reading or listening to the sessions, start working on that. जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, suppose like driving, go out, यहाँ से जम्मू से और श्रीनगर से बैंगलोर तक का ड्राइविंग करके देखो. Still it is your passion, then you can say it is your passion. Otherwise you will come to no, this is नहीं, कुछ अलग भी होगा मेरा. Or you might find that yeah, this is my thing. So ये कब पता चलेगा, जब आप उस पे एक्शन लोगे. एक्शन लेना बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड तभी आपको उसका पता चलेगा कि एग्जैक्टली आपका इकिगाई क्या है, एग्जैक्टली आपका इनर कॉलिंग क्या है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई एज आई मेंशन्ड, it's not easy to find one and work on it. We need to experiment. Basically आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है and immediately start करना है. So we can think about taking action. उसका मतलब उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें involve है taking action.
Hello, Rahul sir.
Yes.
Yeah, if you allow me to conclude now, I have some points to convey to the students at the end. Okay.
Yes, sir, please. And we have like 6 minutes, so you can take these 5 minutes and then we can reconnect just for 5-10 minutes to conclude the session. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. First of all, good evening to one and all who is present right now. Okay. And hi from Mumbai. I want to hear the recall at the high five from the J&K end. Hello. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Fine. So I'll directly start without wasting time because we are running short of time. So finding your ikigai is a lifelong journey of understanding yourself better, doing things that you love, putting your gifts to significant use, and learning along the way. And this is one of the thing. And the other thing is that there are very normal practices which one can go through it. It starts with stay active, don't retire. In a sense, do things of value, make progress, help out. Secondly, take it slow. Don't be in a what you can say haphazard, or let's say in a rapid mode. Take it slow. So being in a hurry is inversely proportion to quality of life. It hampers the quality. Walk slowly and you will go far away. Third is don't feel your stomach, as in sense, eat little less than actually your hungriness, so that you'll have the what you can say empty area, and wherein you can just think of something good which rightly you are not having. Then surround yourself with good friends. Good friend, as in friends are the best medicine for living. So those who are having positive vibes, those who are टेंशन हटाने वाले दोस्त, ना कि टेंशन को उलझनों को दिन भर 24/7 कैरी करने वाले, बिकॉज वो तो उलझन में या वो तो दुविधा में रहेंगे, साथ में आपको भी ले डूबेंगे. सो यू हैव टू हैव द पीपल हु आर लविंग, फनी, इंटेलेक्चुअल, काम. तूफान भी है तो ना हिले, ऐसे सोच वाले कुछ दोस्त रहने चाहिए. So that definitely add value in your ikigai and in your life which you are carrying through. Then get in shape. Exercise releases hormones that makes us feel happy. Because क्या होता है, वर्जिश करने से दोनों चीजें होती है, मन की भी वर्जिश हो और शरीर की भी वर्जिश हो. Because sweating is a new way of fitness. So जितना sweat करोगे, मेहनत करोगे, पसीना बहाओगे, उससे आपका इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल हैप्पीनेस बढ़ने में मदद होती है. देन आता है स्माइल. सो स्माइल के बारे में तो मुझे अलग से कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपकी हल्की सी स्माइल किसी के सामने वाले के बोलते ना कि माथे पे जो भी कुछ सिकंज है, जो भी कुछ रुकावट है, जो भी कुछ वरीनेस है, उसको एक मोमेंट के लिए बाजू में रख देती है. सो स्माइल ऑलवेज. Then reconnect with nature or possibly return to the nature to recharge your batteries, because human is a social animal. और हम निसर्ग, नेचर, पर्यावरण, जो भी किसको हो उसे, तो उससे जुड़े हुए हैं, उसको नजरअंदाज करके हैप्पी मोड पे आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी उसको कनेक्ट करती है हर चीज, हर मामले में. सो रिकनेक्ट विथ नेचर, यू फील rejuvenated. Then give thanks. Be thankful and watch your happiness grow. जैसे बोला जाता है कि आप सामने वाले को बोलते धन्यवाद दो, उससे आपको पॉजिटिव वाइब्स मिलते हैं, और सामने वाले को धन्यवाद देने के बाद उसका जो रिवर्ट आता है, उससे योर कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट ऑलवेज. देन लिव इन द मोमेंट. स्टॉप रिग्रेटिंग द पास्ट एंड फियरिंग द फ्यूचर. बिकॉज बोलते ना, इस पल में जीना सीखो. बिकॉज वक्त एक ऐसी चीज है, किसी के लिए ना रुकी थी, ना रुकी है, ना रुकेगी, लेकिन उसके बावजूद ये जो पल है जो आपके सामने अभी है, वो आपसे कोई लेके जाने वाला नहीं है. तो इसको 100% फुल एनर्जी लेवल पे जील से जियो, मजे से रहो, एंड एट द एंड फॉलो योर इकिगाई. ये सब आप करोगे और देयर इज अ पैशन इनसाइड यू बट ऑब्वियस. सो अ यूनिक टैलेंट दैट गिव्स यू अ मीनिंग, डिस्कवर and live your life at fullest. So this is what I just want to conclude from my end, because sir is continue with whatever sir session is going through. So thank you sir, you can continue. Hello sir.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, I made my point. I made my
Yeah,
point,
yeah,
and
really,
I
really
hope
nice points.
I make a sense.
Yeah, very much. And the students are very clever to accept and it's like get
enlightened with the right knowledge. So yes, we have less than 1 minute now. So we'll connect again. Just to conclude the session, nothing much left now. There is a lot of things, but still we have limited time. So please connect back again. Ganesh sir, if you want, you can come back, or we can just like now there is only concluding.
Yes, sir. I would. Yeah, I would really want to, sir, but I just going to start my journey, and it is a kind of a network congestion which I'm going to suffer. So unfortunately, I have to stop over here. So wish you all the good luck, guys, and yeah, have a nice evening. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye, sir. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. So students, please come back within 1 minute again, immediately, miss, and we will just conclude this.